Hi, I'm Pamela, and today we're going to talk about how to promote your network marketing business. Okay, so what you want to do is, of course, talk to all your family and friends, see if they want to join your business. And if that doesn't work, you can post on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. TikTok is really what's working now in 2022. So little short videos, funny stuff really works. If you're, uh, you know, like to do funny things, you could put up videos of your kids, grandkids, just pretty much anything to get a little attention to yourself. And you could put up some videos talking about your business. The videos are about 2 minutes. So just give a little bit of information and then put the contact information in your description. And same thing for Facebook. When you post on Facebook, you can put your information in there for people to click on, or have them to ask you how to get the information. Tell them to put something in the comments, like I'm interested, or me, or I want the info, anything like that. Um, the good thing about it is you can post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time if you have your accounts hooked together. So that's really nice. Saves some time. So what I would do, I make a video almost every day to post on YouTube, and then I make just a short snippet of that video for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So if you there's other things that you can do as well, as far as posting free ads on safe lists and traffic exchanges. Those are good too. It does take a lot to get feedback from them. You have to post a lot during the week, but they can be very useful. So I would suggest that you also use those as well as social media. So if you got some value out of this video, if you like this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and all on the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I put out a video just like this. Thanks.